What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have something exciting. Huawei has just launched the brand new Watch GT Runner 2, the latest addition to their GT lineup designed especially for runners and performance tracking. Right out of the box, this watch brings a fresh design, stronger GPS performance, improved running metrics, and better battery endurance compared to its predecessor. It feels lighter, smarter, and more focused on serious training. So in this video, we're going to put the Watch GT Runner 2 head-to-head with the Huawei Watch GT 6 Pro and break down everything you need to know. Design, build, battery life, fitness features, daily use, and most importantly, which one deserves your hard-earned money. Let's dive right into the review. Alright, first, let's talk about design and build quality, because that's where you get your first impression the moment you put these watches on your wrist. The Huawei Watch GT Runner 2 comes in with a sporty, athletic look. It feels light, almost like it's not there, which is a huge comfort if you run for long hours or train several times a week. The case has a rugged vibe, and the strap is soft and breathable so you don't end up feeling sweaty or irritated after a long run. It's clearly designed for motion, performance, and training comfort, not just good looks. On the other hand, the Huawei Watch GT 6 Pro feels like a premium everyday watch. The materials feel solid, the body feels more refined, and the screen feels bigger and brighter. Even when you're wearing it outside the gym or running track, it looks like a proper wristwatch, something you can wear with casual clothes or even formal outfits. So the Runner 2 feels sport first, while the GT 6 Pro feels everyday plus sport. Now let's move on to battery life, which is one of the biggest deciding factors for most people. The Runner 2 delivers strong endurance. You can go well over a week of real use without charging, even with workouts, heart rate tracking, and notifications turned on. If you're doing long GPS-tracked runs, it still keeps going for around 32 hours, which is great. That means you don't need to charge every single day or even every few days. But the GT 6 Pro takes battery life even further. Under typical use, it can easily last 2 to 3 weeks before it even asks for a charge. Daily steps, workouts, sleep tracking, heart rate, stress tracking. It handles all of that and still clings onto battery for days beyond most smartwatches. In terms of pure battery life for everyday use, the GT 6 Pro definitely has the edge. When we get into features and tracking performance, the difference becomes very clear. The GT Runner 2 is built for runners. It's not just a watch that tracks runs. It feels like a training partner. You get running metrics that feel deeper, more specialized, and more focused. Things like real-time pace guidance, advanced running metrics that help you see how hard your body is working, and a GPS system that locks your route quickly and stays accurate even when the signal isn't perfect. It feels like something an athlete would choose, not just someone doing casual jogs. The GT 6 Pro, however, is more of an all-around fitness and lifestyle companion. It tracks a huge variety of workouts, from walks and cycling to gym sessions and yoga. Sleep, heart rate, blood oxygen, stress levels. It watches all of this quietly in the background, then shows you playback that actually makes sense. The tracking here isn't just about running, it's about overall well-being. So if you're someone who does many types of workouts, or you want a watch that feels like it covers your whole life and not just your runs, the GT 6 Pro feels more complete. Both watches give you notifications, music controls, timers, alarms, and the usual smartwatch features you'd expect. But neither tries to compete with full-on smartwatches in terms of apps or complex interactions. They're focused on doing fitness, health, and day-to-day basics really well without draining battery. So where does that leave us? If you are a serious runner, someone who trains regularly, wants advanced metrics, and a watch that feels like a true performance tool, then the Huawei Watch GT Runner 2 is a fantastic choice. Its lightweight build, focused running features, and solid battery make it feel like a companion you can trust on your toughest runs. But if you want an everyday smartwatch that still handles workouts beautifully, that gives you rich health insights, long battery life, and a design that looks at home whether you're in the gym or out with friends, then the Huawei Watch GT 6 Pro makes more sense. It's balanced, it's expressive, and it just works for most people's lifestyle. At the end of the day, both watches are winners in their own way. The Runner 2 for performance runners, and the GT 6 Pro for everyday fitness and lifestyle users. Pick the one that fits the way you live and train.